Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, today we are going to be making akara beans cake. All right, yeah, akara is a typical Nigerian breakfast. Yes, it is mostly eaten in a Nigerian home, mostly in the morning. All right, yeah. Tell me on the comment section. You gotta go. Yes, so today we are going to be eating it. Akara is very popular and I love akara. So I have already blended my beans and I have added onion, pepper and salt. That is the only thing I make my akara with. You can go ahead to add any other thing that you want to add, but for me, pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion and salt is okay for me, and it actually tastes so good. I don't think beans need much, ingredients, all right, but do as you want. Okay, so right now I'm already frying the akara. Guys, you need to applaud me on the comment section, because I remember when this akara used to give me headache. Like this akara, they on television for me. Like I will make akara go turn to pancake, and I will be like, all these people that I'm seeing making this akara, what is their secret that after doing my own, the thing go turn to pancake? Like pancake na the thing go turn to pancake. Until I went to YouTube, I started watching. I watch. And yeah, I have perfected making the akara, and asị m nọọ akala. Hell God o, Anambra, you will not cease to disgrace me. But anyway, my people understand me. Gotta go. So right now, I want to make the pap that we are going to be taking it with. So tell me on the comment section, what do you enjoy your akara with? For me, I like akara and bread so much. You know that agege bread now, the loaf of bread though, it's not sliced bread. I don't like sliced bread. I like loaf of bread, that big bread. If you open a inyawa the thing, then you carry the akara, put inside it, then close it, then munch on it. Oh my goodness. Hey God, oh. I am missing, I miss Niger, I miss Niger. But anyway, we use what we have. Yeah, so that is basically it. Oh my goodness, guys, just take a look at this akara. This akara is akaraing. It's akaraing. Akara is giving. Akara is giving. It's not like before my akara they turn to pancake. Oh my! You guys need to tell me congratulations for learning how to make akara. It's not easy. It is not easy. Look how fluffy and yummy. This akara no dey hungry. You tell me. Talk through. You guys should not mind me. So right now I've gone ahead to add a little bit of sugar and the milk. I love my pap with milk. I enjoy it so much. So guys, that is basically it. I will also be adding honey to it. So guys, tell me on the comment section, what do you like taking your akara with, and how do you say this? You gotta go. So guys, thank you so much. If you have watched up to this moment, I just want to share with you guys what a typical morning breakfast is in a Nigerian home. You gotta go. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. You gotta go.